Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us prepare coconut halwa. For this, add a teaspoon of ghee in a pan. To this I am going to add 1 full scraped coconut. Let us saute the coconuts in ghee until it is slightly brown. Here you can see the change in color. This is perfect. You can switch off the flame. Once it cools down, you can transfer this into a mixie jar. Let us grind this once. We have crumbled this. Now add some water and grind it into a fine paste. The paste is ready. It has to be like this. In the same pan, I am going to add half a cup of beetroot juice. And for the juice, I have used 1 full beetroot and a quarter cup of water. Bring it to a boil and stir this continuously. Let this gas reduce a little. Now let us add around half a cup of sugar. Stir this continuously. The sugar has to melt. Let this be on the flame until it becomes slightly sticky. You can touch and examine like this. If it is slightly sticky, you can add the coconut paste. Now start stirring this continuously. You are using coconut paste, so once it starts boiling, you have to close and cook. Otherwise, it will splatter here and there, so close and cook carefully. Once it becomes thick, you can normally stir this. Until then, do not open the lid fully. Now it has become thick for me, so I can open the lid. Now stir this continuously until it becomes thick. The consistency of this halwa is similar to the carrot halwa consistency. The halwa is ready. You can serve it like this, or if you want, you can spread some ghee in a pan and spread this. Even if it cools down, this won't become so thick like burfi. But this will taste so good with some condensed milk or ice cream. So we are going to prepare our own condensed milk here. Take a cup of milk. Let this boil and get reduced. The milk has become thick now. At this stage you can add around 2 or 3 tablespoons of sugar. Stir this continuously until you get a creamy consistency. This is perfect. You can spread this on the halwa. Once it cools down completely, you can cut them into small pieces. Do give a try. This will taste so good. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.